What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Ki nong shong shnong jong ka nong ba shlong ladap da ka jing shong siir hadin ka jing syam ya ka wake up la bom dan try bat bala suba bala dan bom hakmat dukan medi mart hashnong Pohkseh Shillong hak no pais ngi jong ka khat lai trik menta ubnai marsinyo iya ka te ka pla bom dan try ki nong shong dukan kila pentip mardor shaki pulit bat ki pulit mardor kila pha wan ya ka trat bom disposal squad bat ki K9 unit niki ksau ki bala hikai kerpang ki pulit ki lakhang ya kajinga jeng ki brio bat ki kali nak khmat kate ka dukan ka badan marjan bat ka renja dispensary hadin katu kat nepor ki pulit ki la pentikna ba kate ka plakam dan bom bala plait no ya kajinga ki brio bat kali
Alisim. Uno, kanu kata. Tei bulu badam tei nai, tei badam tei. Nai tei badam. Tei. Kata ke farmasi. Em kadai ga cakar jerok si tat bat farmasi matlak.
Belok saya kata kali station itu baginya.
Kang iyan tayo tukla. Usulit pun nek dah kai kai.
Tapi tarum di. Ular nak banyak.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.